Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your message history in Slack's free plan, especially with the 90-day limit. First, it's important to know that the free plan only shows your last 90 days of messages. Older messages become hidden but aren't deleted. To find recent messages, use the search bar at the top of your Slack. You can filter by channel, person, or date range within those 90 days. If you need to save important messages beyond the 90-day limit, you have a couple of options. You can pin messages to a channel by hovering over a message, clicking the three dots, and selecting Pin to Channel. You can also save messages for yourself by clicking the bookmark icon on any message. Find your saved items later by clicking your profile picture and selecting Saved Items. For longer retention, consider exporting your data. Workspace owners can go to Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings. Find the Import-Export section to request an export, and that's it. You now know how to work with Slack's message history on the free plan and keep your important information accessible. If these tips help you manage your Slack history, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.